Lake Apopka North Shore Wildlife Drive. Take 2.
So today we're at the Lake Apopka North Shore Wildlife Drive. We're going to take a drive through there and check out the gators and the birds. Should be a lot of fun. And we invite you to come along. Let's go. Let's see if I can get in close and get a close look at them. Whoa. That was crazy.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows.
Oh, that grackle. Grackle is singing his song. Oh yeah, the beautiful anhinga. Such a gorgeous bird. Love looking at them with their wings wide open, that white coloration there, the white pattern that's on their wings. So nice.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
There's a marsh rabbit right there. Oh, they're so hard to find out here. A marsh rabbit. He just went into the thickets.